How but is used as a conjunction. But is used in the sense of kintu, lekin, parantu as a conjunction in a sentence. We will see some examples of but in our upcoming video. So let's understand by examples. First example which we have is he is laborious boy but not a smart boy. Next example is they have completed their homeworks but they forgot to complete their math homeworks. So here something has been completed but despite of that something has been left which is to be completed. Let's move to next example. My father went to duty but he didn't think of giving money to me for throughout the expenses. Here but means prantu, kintu, parantu. Let's jump to second use of but as a conjunction. But is used in the sense of something we expect but unexpected happens, wherein we will have to use but as a conjunction. The first example is he bathed with cold water but he didn't feel coldness in his body. So this is our first example. Second example is Ram collapsed from roof but he is still alive. Third example is he is a rich person but he doesn't give a single penny to any poor. Next example is Syam bought new toy mobile for his nephew but he doesn't play with it anymore. Let's jump to third use of but as a conjunction. So it is used in the sense of after negative meaning expressing words. For an example, Katilia doesn't eat chicken but fish. So here we can notice sentence is negative, after that but is used as a conjunction. Next example is we don't travel any state but USA. Next example is Rutham doesn't like heat but winter. This is our last example of this chapter. The example is they don't use mobile but play PUBG. So here we have covered uses of but as a conjunction.